STAHN Mpu Kuturan Singaraja, located at Jalan Pulau Menjangan, number 27, Banyuning, Buleleng District, is a state Hindu religious university under the auspices of the Ministry of the Religion of the Republic of Indonesia in North Bali. Inaugurated on March 22, 2016. It is a strategic and religious campus already has various achievements in it. STAHN Mpu Kuturan Singaraja has various study programs. One of them is religious literature and Balinese language education. Is one of the study programs that support the implementation of educational programs to produce prospective graduates who are skilled in the field of religion, literature, and Balinese language.
Good morning. I just saw this building and I wondered, what is it?
Sir, we will accompany you around. This is the Nyastra Lab. Please come in and have a look.
Thank you.
This is Lontar, sir.
Oh, Lontar. How do you make Lontar?
Lontar is Balinese cultural product that has been recognized as a world cultural heritage in the Balinese belief that Lontar has an important meaning and is very useful for life. In ancient times, the existence of Lontar in general was as a tool or medium for communication or correspondence, writing important documents, writing idea, knowledge, and also function as taxation. The process of making lontar is from cutting the lontar leaves by determining the auspicious day or wariga. Then soak them in running water to remove the chlorophyll in the lontar leaves. Next, It is dried in the sun for relatively long time, then soaked again with traditional ingredients. Then the palm leaves are again dried in the sun. After drying, the lontar leaves will go through various processes, such as freezing them so that lontar are straight and shaving the side to make them smooth. Then perforated on the side, then arranged with various sizes. The process of making lontar takes 2 years until dough is ready for use.
So like this, sir.
The technique of writing lontar or nyurat is rather complicated. The most important thing to know is to understand Balinese script. There are several tools used in the process of writing lontar, such as dulang, lungke-lungke, pengerupa, burn candle nut, cotton or tissue, and lontar. Some initial trick or technique when writing lontar must be considered because it requires patience, strongness, and a good mood. Some technique that need to be considered in the writing lontar. The first, hold to the lontar lips with your left hand and the pengerupa in your right hand. Pinch the lontar between your thumb and forefinger. Use the lungke-lungke and try as a base for your hand to rest on, so that you don't get tired quickly when you write. Hold the pengerupa like holding a pencil or pen, but all fingers are straightened, and the index finger is facing the pengerupa down. The middle finger and thumb are used to hold the pengerupa in balance. Meet the tip of the pengerupa with the lontar. The forefinger of the left hand are under the lontar while the thumb is attached to the left side of the pengerupa to push it to the right. Try to balance pengerupa because it affects the writing. Writing begins at the top left of the lontar. Aksara Bali is written under the line or called megandung. Start writing with the technique that was presented earlier and using the Aksara Bali. When you have finished writing, blacken the writing using burnt candle nut by smearing it on the writing. After that, clean the traces of candle nut on lontar using a cotton or tissue until clean. And here are the results.
It's very difficult, but it's really interesting. You said before that Lontar can be hundreds of years old. How is Lontar preserved for so long?
So like this, sir.
The care of lontar itself is very difficult. It requires a certain and complicated way to care for it. Lontar conservation is a way of treating lontar so that no damage occurs to the lontar. Lontar conservation can be divided into two different activities, namely, physical conservation is carried out by cleaning and applying oil the finished palm leaves and reburning the charcoal and candle nut, with the aim that the writing from the old palm leaves which may have started to fade can be seen again clearly, then placed in a special container called keropak. Conservation is a treatment carried out to identify the content of Lontar, and understanding and studying the content of Lontar is part of conservation.
Therefore, in order to protect Balinese cultural civilization,
Let's protect and preserve Lontar together through conservation and writing.